everyone, this is Jack and welcome back to my channel. This is the fourth and last installment of Neotropolis. We start out during the daytime and I can show you that I've only taken out my guns, the magical girl ones, at this time, and it was so much work for such little airtime, but it's okay. I enjoyed myself thoroughly at this festival. If you missed the DIYs of those, go check it out after this video. I'll have it linked at the end.
I'm already recording, so.
Oh, no. Okay.
It's you and your new friend.
No, wait, okay.
And peace. Are you gonna put it on your Instagram?
I think my snacks are complete.
I don't know.
I'm going.
Butterfly.
Plus you had dice.
And so what are these?
These are very rare embryos from my planet, but unfortunately my planet has been destroyed, and so I have the last of them. Unfortunately, I have the last of them, and I am trying to give them homes to breeders who will hopefully revive their species.
Are you okay if I get footage of you too, or are you okay? Thank you.
You're very welcome. My name is Six.
What is your home planet name?
Lilatuni. Unfortunately, it doesn't exist anymore.
Oh. Well, hopefully with this video recording, people will become aware of the situation and help out.
Absolutely. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
This is a beautiful piece.
Oh wow, I see it. The blue?
Yeah. Yes, there's gonna come through.
Is that what, did you hand paint it with a paintbrush?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. And what is your store name? Or
I
yes.
am Maven, and
Hello,
I am part of the
Maven.
fashion district.
Okay.
And I run the fashion district, actually. And part of what I do, since I've been stuck on this fucking godforsaken planet, is I am trying to bring a little bit of joy and beauty to everybody. I do basic sewing, I do clothing repair, and for those who are trapped, left on world without any of their baggage, because it does happen to some of us, I know it's hard, I make sure that all of them have the proper accoutrement for what they may need. I also help them fit in a little bit more by adding a little bit of style to whatever they may have come in with.
I love it.
Perfect.
Will we be seeing that tonight?
You will. This is going to be on a gentleman named Greeble.
Okay.
And he will be wearing it, and it will be looking fabulous.
We will look out for it tonight.
Perfect. That's what I like to hear.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Is this your shit? Round trip.
You guys can be in it, or are you okay with being in it too? Okay. Just continue being natural. I'm getting video.
Oh, video.
Oh my God.
You want us to like move around?
Oh, you're good. My God, it's so good. How long did it take to make?
Oh, quite a while. Because I casted all of the spikes.
Oh,
So
resin?
A lot of casting, yeah.
Very nice. Sorry.
All those resin spikes.
Wow. Fantastic.
Are those old wasteland
Yes, they are.
Oh.
Okay, it was 4, right? Yep, it was 4. I'm sitting here watching.
I have no fancy.
Pilots.
We were just there, and he did come back.
What's up?
That's what I think it is.
What the fuck?
Rock candy?
That's what she
Cybernetic tragedy I'm struggling to avoid. Forgive, I stay slow, but really from the
Are you sentinels? If you're
No.
sentinels,
Definitely not.
You know, if you are a sentinel, you do have. You didn't. I didn't realize you were telling me the bar was empty.
They already came and went?
Yes.
Oh,
They came in, saw the bar was closed, and fucked off.
You said they were gonna be a half hour.
I don't know what the fucking staff girl.
Send it! Come on, lean at? I need a refill. You know what lean is?
No? Gangsta lean?
Girl, you can't be talking about these streets if you ain't even been on these streets, alright?
You're right, I haven't been on these streets.
Lean. Grape soda, codeine cough syrup, and a Jolly Rancher.
Alright. Night!
That thing was pretty cool.
Oh, it's so good! This is all the swag that I got from the festival. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share so that other people can learn more about Neotropolis. If you missed the previous recap videos, I have them linked here at the end, so go check those out. Subscribe and click the notification bell so that you know when I have new content out. I post every Saturday at 10 a.m. Pacific time. And until next time, keep curious, everyone. Jack out.